guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Thursday, February 17th. Chip and I are just on the way to drop him off at doggy daycare for the day. I work back shift tonight, so I'm gonna go home and try to get some things done and then have a little nap before I have to go to work. Okay, so I'm testing out Cakesicles or cake pops, whatever you want to call them. I have the molds ready, my chocolate ready, and I took out some chocolate cupcakes that I had in the freezer and some chocolate buttercream. So have everything ready to go. So normally what I do is I take my chocolate mold like this and I put a layer of melted chocolate inside the mold, let that set, and then I put in a mixture of cake and buttercream pushed in and then cover it with chocolate and then take the mold out. I've seen people on Instagram and YouTube, they fill this whole thing with cake, set it in the fridge, put the stick into the cake, and then once it's set in the fridge, they dip that into chocolate. So I don't know which way that I should do it. If the dipping part worked, I feel like that would probably be the easiest way to go about it, so I might try that. Guys, so as you can see from the video, I ended up switching from the white chocolate to the candy melt bag that I had. It's actually peanut butter candy melt, and then I added a little bit of chocolate in with it. So they actually turned out really good. And like I was saying, I used to do the method where I like painted in the mold, and then once that hardened, I'd put some cake in and then cover over the top. But I saw on TikTok or somewhere that there was a lot of people that just use the molds for like the cake, throw the molds in the freezer, and then dip it into chocolate once they're like in the freezer and set for 30 minutes, which I thought was less messy. So I did that and it was a lot less mess. So they're all sitting here. They're not as shiny as I wanted. That has something to do with the peanut butter that I used. So I just added I had a little bit of extra chocolate, so I put a little bit more on and then some sprinkles. So it's chocolate cake inside with peanut butter candy melts and chocolate candy melts mixed together. So I ended up using a dozen chocolate cupcakes in this and 1 bag of the candy melts. I did use a little bit extra chocolate candy melts, but I have about that here. So I'd say it's 1 bag of candy melts. And I did have to kind of maneuver the container to be able to dip it all in, but I think they turned out really good. So I'm gonna let them set up and harden, and then Seamus and I are gonna try them in a little bit. Okay, so they're all finished. I'm gonna go ahead and try them to see if it's any different than the other method. The other method has less cake and this would have more cake, so we'll see how it goes. Overall, I think it's better cake to chocolate ratio this way. So overall, I like the dunking method better. It saves time and it saves a little bit of mess. Hey guys, it's Saturday and I worked back shift last night, so I slept in and I realized that I don't have much footage from making those cake pops. So Seamus and I are going to the grocery store, so I'm gonna do a grocery store haul when we get back. Which grocery store are we going to, Shay?
Sobeys.
We're going to Sobeys because the meat is better there and in my mind it's cheaper, but I don't think it is. We should probably get a big grocery order because our fridge is completely empty. Okay guys, we're back from the grocery store. I'm just gonna show you what we got. I got 2 of these Healthy Choice steamers. This one is sweet sesame chicken and this one is grilled chicken pesto. I have some small garbage bags for our bathroom garbage. I got these pretzel chips. I like to dip these in spinach dip or guacamole or something. You got 2 of these crispy minis, creamy ranch and crunchy dill pickle. Carton of eggs. We got this guacamole and it's like the squeezy version. And it was like, how much was this, Shay?
What is it?
How much was the guacamole? $7.99?
Yeah.
Yes. This was $7.99 and I was like, oh my god, that's really expensive, but it ended up being cheaper than like all the smaller containers, so we got this. And I got these Laughing Cow cheese things. I don't normally buy this much of them. This was like $13.29, but it comes with 32 pieces and the small one with 8 pieces was like $8.99 or something. So we just got this bigger one. It doesn't expire until August, so I'm sure I'll eat them all before then. Small bag of mini potatoes. A honeydew melon. Seamus likes these Perrier. What is this called? Orange Perrier. 2 of those. I got a bottle of Method cleaner. Seamus is on a cream corn kick, so we got a couple of those. I got a regular can of corn and 2 cans of chicken noodle soup. And then the last bag, I got the Southwest salad, top salad kit. We're going to use it just for the lettuce, I think, in tonight's supper. Thinking like a burrito bowl style thing, so we're going to use the lettuce from this. And, oh, you got mushrooms, did you?
Yeah.
Mushrooms. Yellow peppers. We got this chicken. I just want everyone to see the price of chicken. This is 3 small chicken breasts. $11.30. I guess that's okay. I don't know.
Oh, this definitely seen worse, Cara.
And then Seamus got some steaks. Couple pears. How much for the pears? Oh, $3.92 for 3 pears. I got a cucumber. And last but not least, this big thing of bologna. Because Seamus talked me into getting this one because the little pack with like, how many slices in it?
Oh, probably like 6 or 8.
Probably like 6 slices. It'd probably be like this much of it was like 5 something. And this was on sale for $10, I think. It's not much groceries. Everything seemed to be higher in price than normal. All of this stuff was $171.63. Like, just let me know wherever you're from. Can you get more than this for $173.63? Because this seems like not much food for that. But anyways, I'm gonna put the groceries away. So it's Sunday now and I'm just editing this vlog and I forgot to end it. So I'm just going to end it off here. Hopefully you enjoyed the cake pops, and if you do try them out, tag me on Instagram at Cara Bakes Cakes, or let me know down in the comments how it worked out for you. But I'm just going to go ahead and edit this vlog, So if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks for watching.